Your home is often your biggest investment, and whether it's an investment property or your own property to live in, mortgage life insurance or life insurance to protect that mortgage is something that you may be offered or asked to buy or have considered buying once you start this mortgage. Before you do that, it's important to understand a couple of the key differences between mortgage life insurance provided by your bank or your lender as compared to life insurance that you might get from a licensed life insurance agent. The first thing is, number one, life insurance that you purchase from a life insurance agent is your policy and you own it. That means that you get to decide the beneficiary. Mortgage life insurance from your lender benefits the bank or the lender, which means that in the event that you pass away, that policy pays off the mortgage, which can be really simple, but it means that you don't have the choice or your family doesn't have the choice for how to direct those funds. The next thing is that the policy itself that you purchase from a licensed life insurance agent, you can choose the amount of the coverage, the length of the coverage, and other details like add-ons or riders to protect other parts of your family. In most mortgage life insurance policies from the lender, you don't necessarily get those choices. The policy is designed to match up with your mortgage balance, and you may not have the option to add on or change things, such as get a longer term or a shorter term. The next thing you have to be aware of is life insurance that's built into the mortgage or comes with the mortgage declines in value over time. Hopefully, as your mortgage gets paid off, you'll have a lower balance owing. Well, the life insurance policy that they offer you will match up the value. So if you happen to pass away in the last year of the mortgage, your balance that they pay out upon death would be a lot less than had you purchased a policy that has the same coverage for the whole time. If you purchase life insurance from a life insurance agent, you have the choice as far as how long that policy goes, whether the amount stays the same the whole time or not. The next thing to be aware of is a group policy, such as the one offered by your mortgage lender, is owned by the lender and managed by the lender. That means that if your lender decides to change providers that it gets the insurance from, there could be a change in your policy. If you sell the house or break the mortgage, you may not have coverage anymore, and you may have to go out and get coverage again later on. Many years down the road, that could be more expensive. So compared to a policy you purchase separately, it's not connected to your mortgage in any way, and while it can provide the same benefit of paying off the mortgage in the event of death, it will be totally disconnected so that you 100% get to choose how long the coverage lasts, and if you want to cancel it early or keep it going, even if you sell the house or pay off the mortgage. When you consider all these things, the fact that you can own the policy if you buy it separately, the fact that your bank gets to decide the value of the policy if you buy it within an insurance company, your family can decide the beneficiaries if you buy on your own, and on top of that, your health or lifestyle can have a better effect in a policy you buy yourself, because the policy price can be connected to your unique or your individual health profile. So with those things in mind, it's important to know that while insurance from the bank lender might be the most convenient in some cases, it may not provide the kind of coverage that you want, and you might find it more costly or more restrictive in the long run. So ask these questions to your bank or your mortgage broker before you purchase, and then you can make the best decision that will protect your family in the long run. For more information about how you can save money on your mortgage or the life insurance that goes with it, please reach out anytime. Thanks.